Hi there, students. Plethora. A plethora of something. Okay, this is a noun, meaning there is a large amount of it, a huge abundance of it. So I don't know, if you look at this fig tree behind me, there are a plethora of figs on it. More than I can eat, more than I can dry, more than I know what to do with. Okay, a plethora can also say an excess of, an overabundance of. There is also a medical usage for this word, which means an excess of blood. So it probably makes your heart work a lot harder. And in the past, plethora talked about an excess and was negative. But today, a plethora is not necessarily negative. I think it's rarely used negatively, but you could use it negatively. So let me give you some examples. There are a plethora of study books for the English language. There are a plethora of different teachers in YouTube. If you go to a modern supermarket, you have a plethora of choice and a huge number of things to choose from. There are a plethora of rules in our modern society. You're probably going to wonder, do you ever use this word in the plural? There are plethoras of apples and pears. I guess you could, but it's nearly always used in the singular, a plethora of something. You will find a plethora of videos in my channel, a huge number, a large amount, maybe an excessive amount, I don't know. Let's see, the origin of this word comes from plethane in ancient Greek, which meant to be full of. Yeah, so if something's full of something, there is lots and lots of it. Now you'll probably ask about the formality. This word is slightly formal. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, but informally I'd probably say loads of, lots of, a vast amount of. Yeah? I strongly suggest you use this word plethora in your writing for exams. Yeah? Instead of a lot of, a plethora of, just swap it for that word lot. It'll show what a great vocabulary you have. It'll show the examiners you have a plethora of words in your head. Okay? So, a plethora, an abundance of something, a large number, a large quantity. Maybe an excess of, an excessive amount, an overabundance. And it sounds slightly formal, but you can use it really almost anywhere. Okay? So that's a plethora of words from me about one word. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Plethora.